Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to this amazing channel. My name is Irene, and in case you are coming across this channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video. So today it's actually on Friday, and let me check the time, guys. I'm not sure what's the time. Yeah, it's on Friday, and the time is 4:37. The date is on 6th February, Friday 2026. Yes, I'm coming from right here. This is actually the town. Yeah, it is actually within the CBD, but to be specific, it's around the KMTC, and yeah, this is where those super rich people hide here in Nyamira town, guys. So I just want to take you for a quick tour of the town. Today being on Friday, it's also on market day. It has been really raining, so God has been blessing us in a big way. So I want us to just take a walk of the town, and yeah, and later on we will see what next, guys. So please subscribe to the channel, keep liking, keep sharing, guys, and after watching this video to the end, please leave a nice and sweet comment down below on what you think about this amazing video. So thank you so much, and enjoy the video to the end. It has been raining even since morning, so this week has been a very amazing and blessed week, guys. So we are right here. This is just the back street. You can see some chickens right here. Hello. Yes, guys. So sorry, I did cut pause the video because we have music somewhere. There's a bar right there, so there's a lot of music. So right here, I already told you guys, this is where those people who have money they comes and hides here, because you know we have the hospital on the other side. So yeah, but those ones who are working at the hospital, the teachers, the KMTC students, they live in this specific area, guys. And also we have some constructions which is happening. That building is under beautiful constructions, you see. And look at this perimeter wall. Very nice, guys. But you know, building a perimeter wall here in the village is like building another house. Why? The money is super expensive, you know, because of the metals, yeah, the bricks, the labor. Yeah, yes. So we go this way, and being on Friday is they call it Members Day. Is it on Friday or on Saturday? Right here we have these kells. Because of the rain, the sun was too much, they've been hidden like crazy, you see. Yeah, it will take time for it to grow again. And we have these are the sweet bananas, and the bananas right here. Yeah, and now look at those cows. I don't know if they want to fight or what. Then look at this perimeter wall. Yeah, so guys, there is music. Let me pause. This is the main road. Too cold, guys. Too cold. I don't wonder. The market today might not be very active. Why? Because it has been raining. So you know, when the rain comes, people tend to just not to put their stuffs just for sale, you know. Because Nyamira County is a place where when it starts raining, it will rain to take hours. But even start raining in the morning and it will take like the whole day. The market actually starts from right here where I'm standing. They normally like put their clothes on the other side, but today it's a little bit different, you know. And we have the booking office of Nyamira Express right here. If you want to go to Nairobi, yeah, the booking office is just right here. See the way people are running because of the rain. So since it is on a weekday, on Friday kids are coming back from school. They're closing the week now. For the day scholars, they will be back in school on Monday. This market today is not giving. What?
Wala wasichana wanashindana wakiniuliza uko na ile kava.
The rain is coming, guys. See the way people are running. Okay. Actually, the CBD ends right here at this building. That is Rambo's building. This is the end of the CBD. This is the market, guys. Hey, the rain is coming. But in a very hurry, in a hurry. Wewe. Nakuja. I'm coming. I'm coming. Alafu mvua. Mvua imenyesha bwana hii. It's a friend of mine. So this is just inside the market, but you can see people are just taking their stuff. The rain is coming.
Hi, Baba. Wait.
Sorry. Guys, the rain is coming. Let me go. Let me just try to find somewhere. See, when people are running. Look at the clouds. Oh my goodness. I've actually passed by the market, but the market is like like not giving, guys, because of the rain, you know. Yeah, so let us go. Trying to pass by somewhere. This cow. The rain on. Even these ones. Take a shelter. This one, the streets. See the clouds, guys. So I'm moving like oh my goodness, it's raining. Na ukianguka guys, I've been I don't know, I have a problem. My stomach is really giving me problems. And I'm kind of stressed up. My stomach really gives me bad time. But yeah, everything will be okay, guys. So this is someone is home. Very beautiful gate over here. Amazing perimeter. And actually this land was being sold some years ago. They already planted long time ago, but these corns they're not like healthy because we had no rain. The beans dried up, you know. Yeah. But for us it's just that now we started preparing our land 4 days ago, because we also want to plant the corns. But again, even if it rains, the rain has not like the ground is still not that well, so yeah, but we are still we started to go to prepare the land because we need to plant. Okay. Yeah, my camera. He said, yes, I was wiping my camera. See, someone is home today. This is just where those big people lives. Like they bought lands right here. They're not like paying rent. Others they build rental houses. Yeah, and they are earning money. Let's say every month, you know. Hey. Hey, my chest. Actually come from down there. I'm heading to this side. This is the perimeter wall for the Catholic Church. We have the Catholic Church right there. Then we have some of the hostels. The students for campus, they stay there. The rain has actually added. What? Let me see if I can buy something here. Look. Guys, it's raining. It's been rained on, I'm telling you.